Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a healthy smoothie, and here's some of the stuff I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some cucumbers, some kale, some spinach, and bananas. And my drink, I'm going to be using, hold on y'all, I'm gonna be using some mango, Cran-Mango. Okay. So, right now I'm gonna go ahead and get everything inside the little cup here, and that is going to. Well, I'm gonna start off with some by chopping some cucumbers, y'all. And this is gonna be more like a green. I love my green smoothies. So that's what this is gonna be. Green. This is gonna be a green smoothie. Okay, y'all. So let me put that there. Let me go ahead and get some kale in here. Get some spinach in here. And y'all already rinsed off my vegetables, so y'all just make sure y'all rinse off y'all vegetables real good, because you know they come in, they grown, you know, so it's all fresh. And I got me some bananas. So what I did is I froze my bananas, y'all. I froze them so my smoothie can be cold, so I won't have to add in no ice. Okay, I mean, you can add ice if you want that more icy taste, but as for me, I'm not. I'm gonna pour a little bit of juice in here, about that much. We're gonna start off about that much for now. Hold on, y'all, let me rinse my hands off. I'm still here though, y'all. Let me just rinse off this little sweetness off my fingers, because you know that sweetness is sticky, okay? It's sticky, y'all. So let me go ahead and, you know, dry my hands off. Okay. So I'm just gonna move this right here. Move this over out the way a little bit, so y'all can see what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm gonna use this anymore, but I'm gonna keep that out too. So I'm about to go ahead and plug up my bullet. I told y'all, well, I'm telling y'all, yeah, so, yeah, this is one of my babies, y'all. One of my babies. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and actually I'm gonna add some more kale in here, because I really like this. At first, I didn't too much care for kale, but the more I eat it, the more oh shoot, y'all. You know, that right there, we don't want that to happen again. Let me rinse this off, y'all. I'll be right back. These pieces are hella sharp, so I don't want, y'all gotta be very careful now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this is it leaking? It's just not leaking, y'all. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more, and this is what you can do. You can just, you know, add 3 millimeter. You just gotta eyeball it, y'all. Eyeball it and see how it's gonna come out. Oops, y'all, my counter's clean. It's just flying all over the place. Okay, let me put the rest of this in here. Rest my kale, and I'm gonna do a little bit more bananas, get a little more of that banana flavor. Hold on, Mom. Yeah, mom life never stops, okay? But I do need this smoothie right now, because I normally have it in the morning. Another thing, you don't have to hold it down. All you could do is just press it and turn it, and voila. So we're gonna let this go ahead and blend for a few minutes. Okay. We're gonna let it go a little bit longer. Okay. That should be enough right there, y'all. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna move this to the side here. And let me give my hands another rinse so we can taste this bad boy right here. We're gonna taste it and make sure the texture is how we want it, okay? So I'm gonna go back on the other side. Lightning. I don't know what to do about this lightning, y'all. We gotta figure out another plan about this lightning here, y'all. Okay. And it comes with a top. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my top on here. And I'm gonna give it a taste. You know what? This is good. And it's healthy for you. Like I said, you can make it as thin as you want, as thick as you want. You're getting all your vegetables. Well, and I guess that's all for y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and leave the description in the bottom of all the stuff I used. And also for this bad boy right here, this bullet. This right here comes in handy because it's a travel. You can take this with you wherever you go. And it's also in 3 sizes. So, and then one, it have a handle, which I'll show y'all later on, you know, as I continue to do more smoothies and stuff for y'all. Because we on this, you know, healthy journey. So, I'll see you later. Bye.